Today, we're setting up Piano Waterfall Kitchen Sink, a premium, multifunctional system that looks complex but becomes simple when done the right way. Let's break it down clearly and cleanly. Step 1. Sink prep. Start by cutting a hole in the kitchen sink 29.5 inches long and 17.75 inches wide. Once the cut is ready, place the multifunctional panel neatly over the sink bowl. From underneath, attach the washer plates and lock nuts, then tighten them securely. First, fix the screws below the main controller knob using a washer plate and lock nut. Repeat the same process for the pull-out faucet inlet, then for the quick drain function inlet, and finally for the automatic cup washer. Step 2. Water lines. Now, take the hot and cold water tubes marked red and blue, connect them to the inlet of the controller knob, and tighten them by turning firmly. Once that's done, place the panel properly and set the pull-out faucet on top. Connect its tube to the bottom of the piano button, then unscrew the gravity ball and attach it securely to the black pipe. Step 3. Accessories. Now, connect the tube below the piano key of the cup washer to its water inlet. Now, move to the soap dispenser. Open it, place it on top of the panel, secure it from below with the washer and lock nut, and screw the bottle in. After that, fit the RO tap spout into the panel. Then, connect the main tube of the control knob directly to the motor. The sink also includes an overflow outlet that connects to the drain pipe below, preventing any water overflow. Step 4. Drain setup. Now, fit the sink coupling. It installs just like a standard sink coupling. Insert all the required parts into the drain pipe one by one, then attach the overflow tube. The drainage system also includes a waste trap. Connect it to the sink coupling and then connect the main waste pipe properly. Step 5. Final connection. You'll notice a black wire attached to the sink coupling. Connect this wire to the quick drain function inlet or to the small control knob below it. Once this is done, everything is fully set up and ready to go. It may look a little complicated at first, but step by step, it comes together smoothly. We hope this guide made the process clear and easy. Thanks for watching.